How to record screen on Android tablets. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are on an Android tablet and wondering how to record your screen, then here is how you do it. First of all, swipe down from the top right corner of your Android tablet right where you can see the battery percentage. Now you'll see this kind of an interface where you need to tap on this screen record button at the bottom and you'll be able to start recording your screen right away. If you press and hold on it, you'll be able to see you can adjust recording settings. Select your preferred settings from the menu. After selecting your options, you can start recording your screen easily and quickly. So that is how you record a screen in Android tablets. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.